Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your own murder mystery Roblox game. First, you want to join the Discord server in the description, and you want to make sure to scroll up or down to find your roles channel. You want to make sure you get your roles, for example Roblox Uncopylocked access. You want to also get some of these roles if you want to participate in giveaways, or even see sneak peeks to early stuff, random pings, or just to revive the chat. Then you want to scroll all the way down till you find Roblox Uncopylocked. Now there should be official files, vote for Uncopylocked files, community files. In community files you can find files that other people have made or uploaded. Next, in vote for Uncopylocked you can actually vote for what game you want. As you can see, I'm doing Murder Mystery because Murder Mystery won. If you go to official files, there should be Murder Mystery. Right now it's not there because of course I haven't uploaded it. However, by the time you're watching this, it will be uploaded, and you want to click on it just like I do with this one, and it should be at the very top saying Murder Mystery 2 Summer Update, because that's the one we're going to be using. You just want to press download. Next, you actually want to come off Discord and go over to Roblox Studio, and you want to double click on that just so it opens. Okay, now that your Roblox Studio is open, you just want to go ahead and open your file explorer. Then you want to double click on download so you get your file, aka Murder Mystery 2. You want to copy and paste that over into this, and then you want to just wait for it all to load up. Okay, once your Murder Mystery 2 has opened, now this simple process will be very quick to do. Doesn't take that long, would take about 10 to 20 seconds if least. You want to press save to Roblox, then you want to just name your game, and then you just want to press save. Once it's saved, you will have to wait like 1 or 2 minutes for it to reopen to the actual. Once it's saved, you're gonna have to wait 1 to 2 minutes for your whole thing to reopen. It shouldn't take that long. I'll be back to you when it's finished. Okay, now once your Murder Mystery 2 has loaded up, now from here it gets very easy. Just gotta follow the tutorial closely. If you go ahead and press your file in the top left, under where it says your game name, scroll down to game settings. Then once game setting is loaded, you just want to press security. Then you scroll down and enable studio access, allow third party sales, and allow third party teleports. Press save. This allows your game to load much quicker than it normally would, and it's very efficient for saving the player's data. For an example, when they get a knife, it saves that because it's their knife, and you know, it can save the player's progress. It's really useful. Now you're pretty much done with your murder mystery. This part here is optional, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to tell you how to actually add your own codes. So if you go ahead and search up codes in your Explorer, scroll all the way down until you find game script sync codes. You should go ahead and double click on that one to make sure it loads up, and so you can edit it. Now you get to add your own code. For an example, over here I'm going to name my code. I'm going to name mine test. I think I messed up. Now you actually want to copy this, because this is the one thing you need, especially for your other things. So I'm actually going to put my name as corrupt, because who doesn't like a corrupt? Now, this is completely up to you, but if you want to make sure players who play your game know what the code is, you want to go to board, UI, main. Now you should find codes. Holder, container. Now you want to find free. You want to press duplicate. Now it should duplicate straight under it, and then you want to copy and paste your name for your code in that one. Scroll down some more, rank, scroll down even more to find your text, test. As you can see, these are the 2 codes that you can use. Now this is actually how to save your codes. So first you want to click on this, it should say uncommitted, and it should be blue, and you press commit. Then it should say to commit scripts, and you just want to name it added a code, or if you add more you just say added codes, like this. Now you just want to press commit, and it should start saving, then boom. Now you're pretty much done, so you want to click on play mode. I'm going to come back to you when it's all finished loading, so let's go. As you can see, chat here is showing our username and not our display name, as you can see. And actually we're going to be testing our new sort of current codes. So as you can see, you want to go to inventory and you want to just type in 3, aka the default code. Now you've got a new item, and then you want to type in your new code that you've made and redeem, and you should get your item in your inventory. As you can see, I got my new heat. Anyway, that is the tutorial done. Go to sub, self, I don't know. Goodbye.